This is Mark from the QuickBooks team. The Cash Flow Planner uses your QuickBooks data and connected accounts to help you plan your future cash flow. Let's go over what this tool does and how to use it to get a complete picture of your cash flow so that you can make informed decisions about spending and bringing money in. Let's start by looking at the tool. Select Cash Flow and then Planner. You'll see what your cash flow has looked like in the past over here. This historical view is based on the total cash that has flowed in and out of your connected bank accounts, including your QuickBooks Cash account. You can view either your cash balance or your money in and money out. You can also change the time period. And if you go back to your main dashboard, you'll notice that you have access to the same view of your cash flow. Let's go back to the planner and go over the true power of this tool. Over here is where the fun starts. You can see what your cash flow is projected to be in the future. The planner bases this projection on your QuickBooks data and the accounts you've connected to QuickBooks. So the more data you have in QuickBooks and the more bank and credit card accounts you have linked, the better this projection will be. Down here, you can see all the events that are included in this projection. You'll see any future invoices and expenses that you've already entered into QuickBooks, as well as events that QuickBooks predicts based on your financial history. You can edit any of these events to see what they do to your future cash flow. You can also change your projection by adding a future event like buying a new truck. Select Add Event. Then enter the date of the event, a description, the amount, and whether it's money coming in or money going out. Once you're finished, select Save. Now you can see that your cash flow projection has changed. If you see an issue, like a red dip, make some changes to your future events and get yourself back on track. These events are just for planning purposes and don't affect your books, so feel free to try out lots of scenarios. That's it. Now you can start using your planner to see where your cash flow is headed.